Oh man, here we are. What a day today. Are you having fun out there, kids? Isn't it something? What a market. We are still holding a gain on the Dow, but we have lost ground here. The markets earlier today were up over 300, I think, on the Dow Jones, and we've given some of this back here. The Dow got as high as 34,281. We're now 34,000, about 100. So 180 points have been given back. We're still up 180, so that's a haircut of about 50% so far. We'll see if this can last. It's been one heck of a ride. Our friends over at Bed Bath Beyond, a high today for Bed Bath Beyond was 2809. 2809. That was around 11 this morning, and they tried again around 2, but couldn't do it, couldn't go higher. So 2809, now 2136. Quite a bit of a pullback. Are still up 530 on the day, and the volume on Bed Bath Beyond is 339 million, but clearly profit taking has come in here pretty aggressively, and we're giving up some ground here. Dow is up, like I said, 194. AMC up 69 cents to 24.90 after getting to 26.16. Couldn't hold that either. And we've been giving up ground there. 65 million, not heavy volume, just active. And GameStop, 42.70 now, up 307, 42.70, 75, 309, high of the day, 45.53. So almost a $3 pullback at this point, 280 maybe. Volume 21.7 million. That is definitely calming down, but divide that by 4 to give you an idea what we're looking at, what we used to see all the time. This is now what, 5 million, 300,000, 500, 400,000. So 5 point something million on a day where this could have been a massive takeoff event. Didn't happen. It's backing up, and the volume is only in the 5 something million neighborhood, not in the 10, 15 million, which we would have expected in the past. It's a hint that it's not all straight up from here. Interesting, really interesting to watch this. Over at ME 23andMe, we were down to 440 this morning, got up to 470. Now at 451. We aren't moving very much. 30 cents spread between low and high. ME down 11. Matterport is still up. 4 cents? We got up to 604, but we're now 582. 4.3 million. We backed off most of the gains here. Still up, but not by much. SoFi up, was up, but now down a nickel. It was as high as 780, but we're now at 756. We've given up 24 cents here from the high. 49 million volume. So SoFi had this down dip this morning where we were down to 719, ran it up to 780, a nice 61 cent turnaround. Now we've given back a bunch of that. So we're off 8 cents on SoFi. ATIP holding the $1 level. A 5 cent gain, 103 for the high, 912,000. Not heavy volume, just coming back to a buck. And there seems to be accumulating going on. Someone seems to be buying it. Rocket Lab down 3 to 658 after reaching 676. So Rocket Lab can't seem to get over 7 again. Smart Rent now is up 31 today, 359.5. The low today, the all-time low on this stock, 322. This stock last week was touching almost $6, 580. $3.22 from 580 to 322, back to 360 on 4.6 million. I think this is a bargain. I really think this is a bargain. But I'll tell you, it's been a brutal week for Smart Rent. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. There's been somebody who got blown out, or someone expected a lot more and walked away. I don't know, but it might have hit the bottom this morning. Spire down 6 cents to 157, the high of 162, the low 153. We got Cyxtera at 9.99, down 57 cents. Tesla down 12.5. We've got Pfizer up 12 cents. Boeing up 124 to 171 after topping out at 173.85. We have Apple down $1.04 at 172.20. The high was 173.70. And so we've given up some ground there. Topping out, maybe that is possible for Apple. HPQ down 7 cents to 34.33. Cisco down a penny, 46.58. We've got these stocks were in the green, they've gone red as the day has worn on. HD Home Depot hit 332.98. Let's call it 333. We're at 327. We're down almost $6 from the high of the day. Nick, are you still short this thing? How are you doing on this? Carvana 445 is the gain, 55.45. But we did top out at 58 today. We've given up some ground there. Robinhood only up 1 penny. Vanik down 340. IBM up 130. Microsoft down 160. We managed to get to the green, but we couldn't hold it. Goldman managed to go green an hour ago. We're negative 167 now. Google down 87 cents. It was green. Amazon 103 to the good. After topping out at 146.50, we're 144.20. So there's some backing up going on here. Meta, the old Facebook down 220. BlackBerry is up 11 cents. Royal Caribbean up 139. There you go. Back to our markets here. Bed Bath & Beyond coming back. It's now at $20.99. We're up $4.99 on the day. Great, fine. But we were at $28.09 today, so we've given up $7 and more. It's more than a $7 drop today. Back to $20.80 right now. $342 million. The stock is coming in. It's coming off. And GameStop now $42.51, only up $2.83 after having about a $5 run here. We were at $45.53. We were $5.80 higher than this. Can't hold it. Not happening. 21.8 million. A most fascinating day, as Spock would have said. Fascinating, Captain. Fascinating. There you go. Welcome all of you to the show here. Our third one of the day. It's wild. It is really something. What can I say? Splair, I turned 200 Matterport into 200 Matterport, 160 cash, buying power, and added 70 ATIP today. This feels pretty good. This new strategy, I like this, Bruce. This is working for me. DQ is number 33, thumbs up. Michael rewrote SoFi 8s for this Friday to pull in another $1,200. Alberto, Uncle, I'm here. You can begin now. Good afternoon, Bagel family. Right on, buddy. Welcome. Lame Duck is number 38 on the thumbs up meter. Thank you, everybody, for this. 46 for Quick 6. We're moving up the thumbs up meter. What else is going on? Number 53 for Mellow Shark. Thank you, buddy. Quick 6. I picked up another 700 SoFi today and bought back most of my calls. It's been a good day on SoFi for me today. Right on. Way to go, everybody. How do y'all sell my house fast, number Marlboro? I'm number 58 on the thumbs up meter. We're going to number 63 now for Nick. Thanks, Nick, for 63rd thumbs up. Let's see. What else? Nick, hope many of you shorted Carvana. I did second time, and I'm waiting for the cover. Hello from California. Hola. Nice to have you. And nice you have a traveling channel. I do indeed. Alberto, I need GameStop to dip today, baby. Dip, baby, dip, says Alberto. Can you make it dip? Make it dip, make it dip, make it dip. Can you make it dip? Splair, I think it's a nice extra gain for them to learn this here as well. At least they are in, that they are not sure that they paid enough for the 10 or more years they've done there. I don't know what Splair's talking about, but I hope it's all good. Thank you all for joining me here as the Dow is trying to hold a 197 gain. We're only up a half a point on S&P, and we're down 56 on NASDAQ. This has not been a uniform great day. There have been spots. We'll see what's going on here. I don't know. The oil market, have you seen that? We're down 333 on a barrel of oil. West Texas, $86, 86.08. We've given up ground here this week. Another 333 today. Your oil price, gas prices are going to drop further, kids. Unbelievable what's going on out there. Fantastic. Thank you, everybody. The Dow right now down only up 185. We've backed off 180 odd points. Bed Bath Beyond at $20.94, AMC up 58 cents, and GameStop 42.53. Backing up here, 42.48. GameStop is backing up now, still up 280, but this was quite a bit higher earlier today. If you've been able to do some rollovers on your GameStop calls and rollovers on your Bed Bath Beyonds and rollovers on AMCs or picking up puts maybe, and then I know some of you playing the SoFi call game. It's been an interesting day to say the least. As the Dow is now up 177, we've lost more than half the gain here, and we're down to 49 minutes left to go in the day. Interesting. Larry, hi all. I'm number 76 on the thumbs ups meter. Thanks, buddy. Thank you, everybody, for hitting the thumbs up for us. 79 have come in now. Really appreciate it. It's helping a ton for us. We thank you all so much. So much fun. What's going on right now? Let's see here. What else is going on here? Let's go from here to 2093 on Bed Bath Beyond. We don't seem to be taking off here. 182 on the Dow. That's the gain. AMC only up 50 now. 2471 on 66.4 million. The high of the day on AMC was 26.16. So $1.40, $1.46 drop from the high of the day. That's significant. That's like 2/3 of the gain or 3/4 of the gain is gone on AMC here. We're backing up again. Still positive, but not by much anymore. This is most interesting here. SoFi just down a penny, 761. ATIP $1 on the nose. And Smart Rent holding a 34-cent gain to 361. Rocket Lab only up a penny now. That's what we see at the moment. And oil, like I said, 323 lower. Amazing. Walmart, Home Depot share gains contributable to the Dow's 180-point jump. But remember, those of you who don't know, Walmart revised their earnings back in early July, said we are not going to hit our targets. And then they hit the lower estimated targets. And so the street's going, oh, they exceeded expectations. No, they came in what they thought they were going to come in with back in July when they dropped everything. And we are being rewarded. We see the markets being rewarded with lower results. It's Wall Street never says to sell. And so you just revise your estimates and then meet those, and everybody seems to be happy. Quite interesting what's going on. Quick 6.6. With the SoFi pickup today, my cost basis now is sub 8. Beautiful job. Cloud 7 Travel, I am number 80 on the thumbs ups meter. Beautiful job. Good going, everybody. Anyway, let's see what's going on. Here we go. Splayer wants to know this. I have a question. When I buy back my calls again with gains today, could it be smart on a little run back to write them again tomorrow and let them expire on Friday? Yeah, you can do writing every day. You can write every time. You can write on a little jump up, write again, they back off, buy back, they run up, you write them again. You can write and rewrite and buy back and every day of the week if you want, multiple times in a day if you get the opportunity. It all depends on what you're after here. Agent Per, guess what I can write on now for huge premiums? Yeah, you got it. Splayer, in that case, I would have written 4 times during that month. Man with a plan. Uncle Bruce, thinking of taking a position in Footlocker. How low PE and a 5% dividend, good option chains. What are your thoughts? Be careful on that. What I'm wondering about there is the possibility that the dividend might be cut. The dividend, that the PE multiple might be readjusted with a readjustment of earnings. You better keep your eye on this, because if these guys are going to do what others are doing, and that is lowering their expectations or not delivering on results, these numbers, which look good now, might not be so good looking even at the same stock price. But you know what? Options are options. And if you want to buy deep in the money calls and do poor man covered calls, that's a game plan you can go with. and try to leverage it up. You never know. My next pair sold all my my Bed Bath Beyond shares at 25.57. All 903 shares will buy the dip if it goes under 18. Well, 2104 is where we're at the moment. You're doing well already. Nicely done. What happens if some people don't get their ape shares next Monday? I do not know. That I cannot say. Michael Splair, I wrote SoFi 750s last week, bought them back today, then wrote 8s today that expire on Friday. There you go. Yeah, Foot Locker is a discretionary stock, and you got to be careful. Discretionary spending is iffy. Tiff, sell my house fast. You can also add the server by hitting the plus symbol on the bottom left of your Discord desktop client. I have no idea what that means. Walmart shoes, if a necessity. There you go. Wing Commander. Uncle Bruce, I got caught with my pants down while rolling some of my GameStop calls. I bought them back at 44. Then the stocks dipped $2. Should I sit tight or rewrite at a stink ask? Oh, that might be the plan. That might be what you have to do. When you do these rollovers, you got to be on top of it. Absolutely. Initial XE, I think SoFi will be a $30 stock by mid-2023. This company just reeks growth. It is growing. There's no doubt about that. We are right now 2086 on Bed Bath & Beyond. Still slipping a little bit here. The Dow's up 194. AMC's up 66. GameStop at 42.93, up 328. 42.96. ME is 452. Down a dime. Matterport is up 6 cents. SoFi 764 up 2. We've recovered again. ATIP holding $1. Rocket Lab up 2 cents. Smart Rent up 31. But Spire's down 6. Sixterra down 57, but it's back to $10. Tesla down $10. Pfizer holding a 1 penny gain here. It was negative this morning, went green. Now it's back to break even. Boeing up 152 to 172 even. That's lower from the high, but higher on the day. Apple is down 84 cents, now 87. HBQ is up 3 cents to 34.44. Cisco up a nickel. Twitter up 6 cents. Home Depot up 12.94. Carvana 385 higher, but it was higher earlier. It was at 58.05. It's 54.82. It's backing up. That might be if Nick was able to short it up at the top there, he's going to do great. Could do very well here. Robinhood is down 2 cents to $11. High for Robinhood today, 11.59. Unbelievable that it's even in this neighborhood. Vanik down 3.45. IBM is up 1.39. Microsoft down 1.35. Goldman down 1.24. Google down 81. Amazon up 1.10. Meta down $2. Let's go further. Target is up 7.70 today. What a day for Target. JP Morgan up $1. Costco up 6.60. Walmart up 6.97 to 139. It got as high as 140.92. So we've given up a couple of bucks on Walmart so far. Nvidia down $2. Disney up 93 cents. American Airlines up 16 cents. Netflix down 2.90. And we got Moderna off down 8.58 today for Moderna. That's a recap there. Like I say now, Bed Bath Beyond 2081 up 481. GameStop 42.64, holding a 296 gain. And volumes today for Bed Bath Beyond 349 million. For GameStop 22 million. Even pre-split, this is 5.5 million pre-split. That's not that crazy a day of volume. 15 million, 20 million would say something, but we're not getting that right now. Ooh-wee, Splair. Dang, 8s on Matterport. I wrote at 6 twice at 5.5. My goodness, Bobby Joe. That's why I always select rollover rather than BTC and then STO. I got burned too many times on mid rollover. Pick knows I had planned to buy more GameStop today, but got more SoFi at 7.24 instead. There you have it. And BBY is so volatile. Hood is an absolute joke. There you go. What can I say? Right now, Bed Bath Beyond is dipping again. 1969 now. We're under the 20 mark. in a hurry. AMC only up 31, and GameStop is 42.46, 42.40. We're slipping again on GameStop. Bed Bath Beyond is definitely heading south at 1988 after hitting 28 bucks. We have lost we've lost over $8 on this stock today from its highs. What a reaction. 1979 now, up only 379 on BBBY. Really volatile. Apes calling for 2040 on Fubo. And Michael, these broker rollover features rip you off, though. The buyback is at market. I agree. Don't bother with that. Dave, the Mac guy, bought and sold my BBBY puts for a nice 25% profit same day. Argent per 351 million share volume. That shouldn't even be possible. That's like 5 times the free float, and that's what I mean. The day traders are rolling it. They're trading in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. 5,000 shares at a time, 1,000 shares at a time, 10,000 at a time. They are in and out. 1962 now on Bed Bath and Beyond. It is backing off. GameStop 42.32 backing off. 42.11 as a matter of fact. 42.09. It's coming off. GameStop backing up now on this run. The Dow still holding a 200-point gain. That's another world unto itself. 1914 on Bed Bath Beyond now. We've dropped here almost a full buck or so and more in the last 10 minutes. 1925, 353 million. The drop continues unabated. We're about to drop $9 from the high. We just did 1875. We just dropped another 50 cents on BlackBerry. Bed Bath Beyond, pardon me. BBBY getting crushed. Now 1875, up only 275 now on the day. 1859, another drop of 16 cents again. GameStop 41.72, up 204, backing up as well. And AMC only up 14 cents to 24.35. It is getting hit as well. It's up 18 cents now. AMC backing off quickly. 1860 now on Bed Bath Beyond. 1860, up 260. Amazing on what's happening here. Beach Boy, I'm a number 89 thumbs up simpleton for you, and I made a $400 discretionary spending on one-on-one with a homeless Canadian guy with a non-lamp. Is that going to create a bull market or a bear market? I'm asking for a friend, okay? Just let me know. I'll let you know on that. I'll talk to your friend on Sunday and see if there's any way to save this guy from himself. Thank you, Beach Boy. Look forward to seeing you. Here we go. Matterport starting to drop against us, Blair. Coyote, this is incredible. Mirko, 100 thumbs up. Thank you. 1891 on BBBY. GameStop 42.02 as it keeps coming in. 24.49 on AMC. Bed Bath Beyond trying a little rally. 1916 at the moment. The Dow up 216, trying a little rally here, but we'll see if there's anything to it. Let's see what else is going on here. SoFi up a penny. ATIP at 99.7. Rocket Lab up 2. Smart Rent up 35. $19.16 on BlackBerry at the moment. It's been one heck of a ride, no question. Man, oh man, tell you, it's wild. It's wild. Watching a lot of stuff silent at the same time. By the way, tomorrow night is prime time with Uncle Bruce. Tomorrow night, 8 o'clock Eastern time. It's prime time with Uncle Bruce. Now, that show is normally reserved for Gold Bagel members only. However, tomorrow evening, come and join us. Gold Bagel come and join us tomorrow night. The Prime Time with Uncle Bruce show is available to all. We are inviting. We're inviting everybody in. Come on in tomorrow and join me live on Prime Time Live, 8 o'clock tomorrow night. Love to have you join us. The Gold Bagel members we'll be joined by all of the rest of you who'd like to come on in, and you can see what we do on Wednesday nights, 8 o'clock, as we cover all of these different trades and try to figure out what's going on. It's going to be wild and wacky. It's wild and wacky today, hasn't it, Gowdy? Oh, man. Nick, Microsoft is being held about $3.92 due to a dividend payout. Not Microsoft. There's no $2.92 maybe. Once it's done, Microsoft is going to go lower. So $2.92 or lower. Short Microsoft day after tomorrow. Thursday, you will make money. Do your due diligence, says Nick right there. 1896 again on Bed Bath Beyond. Back under 19 again. The Dow holding 222. AMC only up 32. GameStop 4202, 4195. We're under 42 on GameStop here right now. 4195 with a 227 gain. 4181 on GameStop. Stock is coming in on Bed Bath Beyond and on GameStop for sale. Look at that Bed Bath Beyond, 1831, just dropped 50 cents in one trade. GameStop 4181, dropping 4177, dropping again on both of these stocks. They're both coming down. 4172 on GameStop and 1864 on Bed Bath Beyond. We are watching a lot of stuff going on here. Splair, this time and next time, I won't join prime time. Hope you all have an enjoyable round then, Gowdy. That halt when BBB was at 128 broke the momentum. How about that? 1870 on Bed Bath Beyond, 4184 on GameStop. GameStop hit 45.53. We're approaching. We're up like a 270 drop from the high. Is that right? Almost $4 actually. 470 drop. And Bed Bath Beyond 1865 after reaching 28.60. Man, oh man, oh man. $10 drop on Bed Bath & Beyond this afternoon. $10 drop on Bed Bath & Beyond. If you didn't hear me the first time, that's how much of a haircut we've had this afternoon on Bed Bath & Beyond. And the company didn't raise a dime. They didn't raise a dime. I'm certain of that. Man, oh man, oh man. Here we are on GameStop now, 4170. We're only up 202 now on GameStop. We're backing off here as well. Approaching, this keeps going the way it's going. It's going to be down $4 from the high of the day. 41.98, trying to mount a charge, but I think it's a one-way ticket lower. GameStop still, the market still 217 gain on the Dow. S&P up 6, but NASDAQ down 34. Okay. Whew. This Home Depot, there's a Home Depot headline that says, Home Depot stock climbs toward a 5-month high as incredibly resilient customers. Inflation boosts sales above expectations. They had a downgrade, and now they're reaching lower expectations. But okay, hey, whatever spin you want to put on it, it's all right. I believe the same with Apple and Goldman Sachs. Next pair, I put a limit order in 1797 to buy BlackBerry Beyond 500 shares. Bobby Joe, after GameStop apes get a hell of a scared on any haul. Pick nose. I rolled a GameStop September 2nd, 41.25 to a September 9, 45 strike for 110. Good job, Michael. Apple dividend was 8.11, and Pick nose paid 110 while 45 was out of the money. Sweet ride. 42.07 on GameStop. 1867 on Bed Bath & Beyond. And good news, the new platform got the powder. Ho, ho, ho. Right on, Beach Boy. Right on. That's good news. That's really good news. 1873 on BBBY. Dow Jones up 227. AMC up 30. GameStop 42.03, 41.99, 41.95 now. GameStop backing off again. Still up 227, but not up $5 or $6. Not even close. ME down 9.9 cents. Matterport up 6. SoFi up 2. ATIP at $1.50. Rocket Lab 666 up 5. Smart Rent up 33. Spire down 3. Xterra down 57 to 999. Tesla down 860. Pfizer up 6. Boeing up 195. Apple up down 55 on Apple. HPQ up 8. Cisco up 13. Twitter up a dime. Home Depot 1378 is the gain at 328. The high of the day, 332.98. So we've given up almost $5. Carvana at 55.24 up 424. Robinhood up 3. Vanek Vectors down 292. IBM up 156. Microsoft down 70 cents. Goldman down 80. Google down 46 cents. Amazon up 161. And the Dow right now holding a 228 gain, defying the market. 7-point gain on S&P, no follow through there. And NASDAQ down 25 points, oil down $3.20 a barrel right here. Want to see manipulation today? Look no further than gas. No wonder fuel bills are higher on no news. This is absolutely terrible, says my mate Chris. There you have it, everybody. What a day. It's been something. We got 30 minutes to go. Thank you, everyone, for being here, hanging out with us today. It's great to have you around. It's been quite the crazy ride. 41.89 now on GameStop, and now 42. It's just jumping back and forth, but it looks vulnerable there. We'll see how this all plays out. Thank you all for your support of my channel today. I really appreciate it, everybody. Thank you. The thumbs ups have been very helpful. Thank you. We're going back to members only now and chat only. Please become a member of this channel. Join this great gang of people if you can, and help the channel survive and thrive. We thank you all so much. Don't forget, we have got going on right now a sale on our classes. We have a temporary deal. You get 4 classes for the price of 3 for a limited time. Thank you for the 112 thumbs ups, by the way. This limited time offer is going to expire in the not too distant future. So if you get a chance, grab your opportunity here to pick up a deal on these classes. Head over to my PayPal account right over there. You see that right there? Head over there and make a donation of $299.99 US. Make that donation over there and then send me an email on my email account. The link is down below for all this. Tell me what 4 classes would you like. There are 13 to choose from. If you've already seen the first 4, now it's time for the second 4. Move it up and do some studying. These classes are from 1.5 to 2 hours 20 minutes long. They were made before the live group right here. These folks here, Jen was the moderator, and we talked to you about how to write options in plain English. And I'll tell you, a day like today, easy money today on a day like today. Easy money today. Oh, my gosh. Anyway, let's see what's going on. Beach Boy, get that moolah. Pick nice. Beach Boy, which stock should I buy for options writing now? Worlds collide. Michael, what premium did you get on those 8s, Alberto? Lots of comments going back and forth here. GameStop now again, 41.92. Again under 42. 41.90 now, up to 22. Bed Bath & Beyond at $18.65. Oil prices are at the lowest level since January. Natural gas futures rally to a 14-year high. So natural gas is higher, oil is lower. Prices at the pump are coming down for North Americans. Absolutely. Should I tell the folks what I made today? Christina is saying, Nick, I have shorted HD. My average is 323. I get the cover today on this HD stock. HD right here, right now. 328 is where it's at. 327.85. And Nick needs another $3-4 to make it happen. 327.85 as we're coming to the final 26 minutes of the day. The Dow holding a 240 gain. We're up 8 on S&P, but we're down 24 on NASDAQ. We'll see how this plays up. Alex, do share, he says to Christina. Christina, profit? Oh, do tell. Beach Boy, Christina. Oh, yes, please. Let us how you're doing. Let us know how you're doing. How much richer is Christina today? Let's go. We've got an 1878 last trade on a Bed Bath Beyond. Is only up 278 after being up $10 higher than this today. The Dow up 248. AMC is only up 18 cents. We're backing off. 41.74 on GameStop. We're up 206, but only 206. A Coyote, GameStop, and Bed Bath Beyond taking out on the chin at the moment. Wonder how they will respond tomorrow. Alberto, 7.5s. I got 36 cents. I wrote 50 of them today. Alex, today has been nuts, hasn't it? Like the old days, says Alex. It's been crazy today. GameStop, 41.95. A little bounce back, and 19.19 on Bed Bath & Beyond. It's just volatile, jumpy, good, bad, and everything else. Wild day. Just a wild day today. 764 on SoFi, holding a 2-cent gain. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Michael, 7.5's ballsy, laughing out loud. Beach Boy, nice, Alberto. Well, that's what's going on. 245 gain, 243 gain on the Dow. Going to see if we can eke out the gains on GameStop and Bed Bath & Beyond, or do they back off at the end, or do they surge at the end of the day? What's going to happen here? Absolutely wild moves. 1952 on Bed Bath & Beyond now, almost a $1 jump in the last 3 minutes. 366.9 million traded today. Day traders' delight is what it is. It has nothing to do with the prospects of the company. It has everything to do with trying to make a buck on retail investors coming in and coming out, coming in and coming out. It is wild. But somebody out there, and more than one person, I am sure, paid 24 and higher for Bed Bath & Beyond, all the way up to 28 today, and they're down big time. They're down a lot. I don't know how this is going to play out. Quick six, is that for this Friday? DH, I'm number 113. Michael is saying yes. Christina, I bought my 4 calls back and sold my 4 GameStop calls. I lost $1,000. I turned around and bought 2 $20 strikes for January 2024 expiring calls. The expired calls for $24.45. So that's like a $44 all in. Is that right? $24.45. And I guess you're going to write poor man covered calls now. Let's see here. 1964 on Bed Bath Beyond, 41.92 on GameStop again. Around and around and around we go. Where it ends, I do not know. The Dow's up 232, going into the final 22 minutes of our day. After buying those, I sold 2 calls for $1,000, 43. Right on. Well done. They're out of the money. 41.85 on the GameStop shares now, as we're slipping a little bit here. 1931, 1920 on Bed Bath Beyond. We're slipping back from that 1965 print we just had. Backing off yet again. 41.71 on GameStop. Alberto, yes, I am hoping to get assigned. I averaged down to 632. Right on, sir. Interesting patterns. SoFi 762 unchanged right now. Matterport up 6, ME down a dime. GameStop 41.71. AMC up 24 to 24.45 now. Dow's up 243, and we're at 1921 on Bed Bath & Beyond. Coyote, 5.5 million pre-split GameStop volume. Not me. I'm in and out. Triple G. GameStop printed a golden cross today, and it had a run, but now it's backing off. 41.85. That's where we're at right now. Boy, let's see. Triple G, 50-day moving average past the 200-day moving average. Quick sick, very nice, Alberto. Michael, 1074 is where we're at. Okay, 41.85 on GameStop, 1934 on Bed Bath Beyond. We're down to 21 minutes left in our session, and we've been busy today. Have we ever been busy today, kids? 797 is my average, says Quick 66. SoFi 763 up a penny. Folks are getting nice low averages together on their SoFi. Well done, everybody. Well done. 41.89 to 41.97 on GameStop. 19.43 on Bed Bath & Beyond. The Dow holding a 239 gain right now. AMC up 30 cents. I've been glued to my PC, says Coyote. I can't leave. I can't shut this thing off. I've been glued here. What a crazy day today. Thank you all for being here. We have 119 thumbs ups now. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Keep those coming in if you can. We do appreciate those thumbs ups. That is great stuff. Everyone helps. Everyone we can get helps. Absolutely. Alrighty. Bed Bath Beyond, $19.32 after topping out at $28.90. 28.60, pardon me, 28.60. We're at 19.32 on Bed Bath Beyond. 41.93. Sorry, 41.93 on GameStop. Under $42, and we're at 19.34 to 19.36 on Bed Bath and Beyond. Man, oh man, oh man. Christina, I rolled my 16 GameStop calls. I bought back for $8.10 and wrote for a later date and $1 higher and brought in $8.50. So I made 40 cents a contract. Right on. Beach Boy, Christina, what's your bottom line? Michael, it's really hard to average down for me with the amount of shares. Swear, I was only 40 minutes busy and made more today at work. I made more today on my market than at work. There you go, Getty. It feels like if you get up to get some water, you will miss out on something. Alberto, yeah, I would roll as well. Christina, those 16 I sold are already worth $2,500 more, I'm suspecting. She's ahead 2,500. I made more money per hour today than I have at any job that I've ever had. There you go, kids. I wrote 8s though. Michael, after buying back my 7.5s, Alberto, actually, because of Coyote's statement a few weeks ago, relieved me of the fear. So, Coyote, thank you so much. Beach Boy, Christina, winners cash checks. You go, girl. Alberto, 8s are nice. They're the next ones. Splair, at least I have seen the band Arch Enemy today as well. Michael wrote them when SoFi was 780. Christina, yep, I love it. Crick 6, should SoFi should SoFi have a 5% up move tomorrow? I have 23 calls waiting to be written. There you are. 41.94 on GameStop. The Dow is up 234. We're at 19.44 on Bed Bath & Beyond. It's just great to see comments where people are saying, I made more money today on a per hourly basis than I've ever made on any job I've ever had. Welcome to the option writing game. As a big part of this, become an option writer like these kids. Take my classes whenever you can. They're an hour and a half to 2+ hours long. They're $100 each. If you buy one, you can buy 4 for the price of 3 right now for only $299.99 US. You get 4 classes. There's 13 to watch, and you will become an option writer like these guys. $299.99, making that kind of money writing options? Chump change, absolute chump change. You can literally change your life and become self-employed and be your own asset manager. You do not need millions of dollars to do this. It is really revealing how little money you need to make some good coin here. Way to go, everybody. This is all good stuff. Coyote, Alberto, glad to hear it, man. Well done, everybody. 41.92 on GameStop. 1961 on Bed Bath & Beyond. The Dow's up 229. ME down a dime. Matterport up 6. SoFi is up down a penny. ATIP at $1.50 a penny. We're up 5.7 cents on ATIP. Rocket Lab up 6 and Smart Rent up 36 today. Spire only down 2 pennies at 161. We're coming back. Sextera still at 9.98. Such fun today. Home Depot up 12.86 to 327.40. It's coming back a little bit. Carvana only up 3 1/4 now at 54.25 after topping out at 58 today. Lots of activity. 19.40 on Bed Bath & Beyond and 41 41.92 on GameStop. Make that 41.88 on GameStop, okay? Alberto, Mike Hells, yes, let's make this money quick. 6-6. Alberto, thanks. It's been a long road to get back here, but I'm glad I am. Well done, everybody. Working their way through this market and making some money. Thank you from Richard. Oh, man, Richard, thank you for this. Something tells me you're looking for a whole bunch of classes. I will send you an email after the show. It's going to take a while. I'll put it all together for you, and we'll get you those for sure, buddy. You got it. Beach Boy, miss some PayPal. Miss some people. I miss some people on a day like today. Anti-PC, Rob, and Bama Babe. Richard, hello, Uncle B. I want all 13, baby. I want them all. Here's some money. Fantastic. Richard says, thank you, Uncle. Alberto, Quick-Sick, I know the feeling. Next move, I'm writing 100 covered calls on SoFi. I'm tired of drinking powdered milk. I want to get the big payoffs. And away we go. 41.81 on GameStop, a little lower. 19.49 on Bed Bath Beyond. We're up 251 on the Dow. We're 14 minutes to go until the bell. And we're unchanged on the SoFi. We're busy here, kids. We are talking about people here making money on the options market, just left, right, and center. These markets where you shoot up and then come back down. Oh, is it good times? You do rollovers on the way up, and then you just watch them drop off the face of the earth, and you buy back for pennies on the dollar, and you say, thank you, sir. May I have another? It is good stuff. Coyote Beach Boy, Anti-PC chills with us in the Discord. Says Coyote, Michael Alberto, I wrote 110. Rock and roll, baby. 1963 on BBBY, 41.96 on GameStop, now 42.06 on GameStop. The Dow holding a 276-point gain. I don't have any reason for it. I don't have any justification for it. It's down from the high. We got 13 minutes to go. S&P is not participating. It's up 13, but it's not like the Dow. And NASDAQ is still negative 9.2. That tells me we are getting near the end of this thing until we see a little profit-taking pullback or more. That's what I'm waiting on right now. Beach Boy, Richard, good call, dude. Got through them all myself. Never look back. Splair, Alberta, you are not playing with pistols. You need the rocket launcher, buddy. Cindy, 123 thumbs ups. What a good day. It's been a good day for option writers today. A lot of folks making money here today on some pretty neat action, to say the least. Quick-Sick, Alberta 100. That is phenomenal. I will get there eventually if I can pull it off before SoFi breaks $10. Crossing my fingers. Alberto, Mike, damn nice. Nice. Writing 110 calls. Getting into the larger numbers. Beautiful stuff. Tony, thank you. Artiega, is Matterport still a play? Oh, yes, it is. Certainly is. We're keeping an eye on Matterport all the time. We do see it at 584, up 6 cents. It has bounced off of its lows so far. We now are looking for it to build a base and break out from here. Bed Bath and Beyond at 1965 a share, up 365. The Dow up 279. And we got GameStop at 42.09. Beach Boy Coyote, how about we connect by email? Let's ask Uncle Bruce to connect so I can get the link as well. Okay, Splair. So maybe tomorrow a bounce back on NASDAQ or a bounce lower on NASDAQ. Here we go. We're getting another message here on another class request. Make sure to send the PayPal donation and then send me a separate email to my email address at brucefrommert@hotmail.com. Okay, that's where I prefer you send me the email with the classes, the ones you want, because I will reply to that email, and that's what I need to make it real easy for me to get you the links. And then whenever you need the links, you go to your email, find the email I sent you, there's the links, and you can keep watching again and again and again. Thank you, everybody, for being here. It's great to have you all. And thank you for those of you who are picking up these classes. Picking up 4 for the price of 3, and check the market today. It's been a option writer's paradise today to make money in this market. It's been crazy today. 4208 on GameStop after hitting 45.53. Bed Bath & Beyond at 1984 right now after topping out at 28.60. Unbelievable. It's nuts. Alrighty, let's see. Let's go. Splair, Tony, for starting into options. I like it, but probably due to the earnings as well. Splair, still, I think you can do pretty well with it too. Richard, we had the opportunity to sit next to Auntie Jen at the Outback in Ontario. Now I'd like the classes, please. There you go. Got it. Mirko, I had 4 GameStop October 21 strike 31.25s, and I had 4 35s for October. I rolled them up and out to January 37.50s and 40s with a profit of 50 cents a contract. Felt more comfortable with a higher strike price of $6.25 and $5. Nice job, Mirko. If the stock wants to back off for you, it is going to pay you handsomely for this little move, which means, down the road, maybe a couple days from now, next week, whatever, you might be buying these back for a lot less and then writing Octobers again. You'll just roll into Octobers a little closer into the market, and away we go. Mirko, beautiful job. Coyote, late BBBY rally, 2036 right now, and we're at 42.13 on GameStop. 9 minutes to go. Coyote Beach Boy, either that or just put your Discord username in here, and I can invite you as well. You may need to help Beach Boy out on exactly how it's done, but I'll be happy to link you guys if you want to email me at this email address. I'll get you linked up. Welcome one, welcome all to the final 8 minutes of today's unbelievable market. The Dow is holding a 256-point gain. S&P up 11, NASDAQ down 17, 16 or so. We've got Bed Bath Beyond trying a late rally at 20.66. We got AMC up 60 cents. We have GameStop at 42.17, but they were a lot higher than this earlier in the day. We got ME down 11. We got Matterport up 3. SoFi down 3. ATIP at $1. Rocket Lab up 4. Smart Rent up 42 cents. We're showing Spire at 159.5. Cyxtera at 9.98. Tesla up, looks like Tesla is down about $6, 6.40. We got Pfizer up 15, Boeing up 190, Apple down 15, HPQ up 11 cents, Cisco up 29, Twitter up 5, HD up 12.87. Carvana 374 gain today. IBM up 180. Microsoft down 23, Goldman down 77, Google down 26, Amazon up 187, Meta down 126. BlackBerry up 15 cents, Rocket Lab up 169 to, not Rocket Lab, Royal Caribbean RCL, I keep calling it Rocket Lab. Royal Caribbean up 169 to 44.08. It shouldn't be here, but it is. They just closed the deal yesterday to pay 11 5/8% interest on $1.25 billion on a new loan, private placement. Not good news, really. They raised cash, but they're paying 11 5/8%. Oh, bad news. Target is up $8+. We got JP Morgan up 129, Costco up $8, Walmart up $7 today, Nvidia down 122. Last 6 minutes to go. BBBY at 20.80. The Dow up 254, AMC up 71, and GameStop at 42.17, 42.15, 42.14, up $2, 40 odd cents, 49 odd cents right now. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Let's see what's going on. That's no problem. I'll email you after the close right on go to BW. Bruce, I think I shorted you $1 on PayPal. I'll get that squared away. Christina, Uncle Bruce, should I cash out and take the $2,500 for the shares I sold and then roll down a bit or let it ride? I'm not exactly sure if I got this right. Let's see. GameStop 40 expiry 10/21. I sold for 688 and it's worth 849. Okay, I'm not exactly sure what's going on. Did you write those and they've gone up on you, or did you buy those and they've gone up on you? I'm not sure what's going on. 42.14 on the stock, and I'm trying to figure out what this actually means. Beach Boy says, I'm not on Discord yet, Coyote. This is one of these days I wish I would never end. Beach Boy, what's the Twitter for Uncle? Isn't it the Discord link over there as well? Coyote, I won't be able to think about anything else all day. Christina, never mind, I'll get to that. Beach Boy, Coyote, Beach Boy, it's on the Reddit sub. I think Larry posted the link there. It's right there, Stock Markets with Bruce. Beach Boy, Coyote, I'm laughing. Mirko, rolled them once before. That's why I'm in January now. Still have 14 more. 41 GameStop, which are due September 9. Right on, buddy. Watching this. Bed Bath Beyond at 2071. The Dow up 241 with 4 minutes to go. AMC up 67. GameStop at 4204. 4203 right now. Larry, the URL I posted is probably expired. They're only good for 7 days, then they change. Christina, okay, I sold them, 16 of them for $8.49, and now I can buy them back. What should I do? I would do nothing. Wait till tomorrow. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Yeah, I would do nothing. Mirko, Christina, it's time till October. Just fold your arms and wait. GameStop will go below 40, and then you can get them back for really cheap. Yeah, right now, here's your position, Christina. Just fold your arms like this. It's kind of like this, or you can fold them like that. You can kind of do that if you want to kind of hold yourself a little bit. Yeah. Fold arms. Got it. Okay. Coyote. Larry, I wasn't sure. Maybe you could get a Discord link thread on the sub and pin it, and just occasionally post the latest version as a comment and pin it. People are thinking about different things. We've got BBBY with 3 minutes to go at 20.72. GameStop at 42 even, 41.98. Kind of just hanging on here, hanging around. We'll see what it does tomorrow. Up 231, but only 231. GameStop, 23.2 million. Very quiet volume in the last 3 hours of the day compared to the midpoint when things went kind of crazy for a while. We've given up ground. $3.53 we've backed off on GameStop since this afternoon. Lots to watch tomorrow as well. It's 240 gain on the Dow, just coming into the last 3 minutes. And we'll see what's going on. The volume on BBBY is mind-blowing. 2068 right now on 382 million. Absolutely ridiculous. Nothing to do with the corporation whatsoever. Got up to 28 whatever, and these guys got to raise money. These guys are not raising money. The stock's trading like crazy, and the company's not raising cash. From what I know, I sure hope something's happening behind the scenes. I'm praying there is, but I have no idea. 246 gain on the Dow Jones, 2058 on BBBY, 4201 on GameStop. At the moment, we got 2 minutes left, and it's been a crazy, crazy day. Thank you, everybody, for picking up these 4 classes for the price of 3. See if you can get your hands on those. Pick up 3 or 6 or 9 or 12 or whatever you want to do. Go get them. I'll get you the links after the show's over. And those of you who want to have a one-on-one with me, let me know. This weekend, I might be sold out. I'm waiting for one person to get back to me on one of the times I've offered. And then next weekend, I think Saturday, Sunday, we're open for sessions. So I will get back to you folks. Those of you who want to have a one-on-one, we'll start lining up next week, Saturday and Sunday for you, and kind of go from there. We got a lot to cover, a lot to watch. We're down to 1 minute on the markets here. 1 minute to go. 2079 on BBBY. GameStop 4202 to 4214. We're jumping around a lot. I'm expecting aftermarket to be active as well today, and then tomorrow pre-market should be hectic. Beach Boy Coyote looked like the link expired. It usually does. 2083 on BBBY, 4204 to 4218 on GameStop, 4210 to 13 now on GameStop. We're at the bells. Larry is going to do his magic right then. Man, the magic. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate this. When does your sale expire on the classes? I launched it on Monday officially, and gotcha. Thanks, thank you, BW. Got it. Launched it on Monday, and it's a short time frame. This week for sure, but we might go into next week, and then that'll be about it. So if you can make your move sooner the better, because these I don't put out for very long, and then we'll kind of move on from there. Thank you, everybody. Yeah, Larry, Beach Boy. Yep, it expired. Larry, I refreshed the URL on the Reddit post from 2 weeks ago. He says, right on. Thank you, everybody, for being here so far today. $20.65 looks like the last trade on BBBY. GameStop looks like it closed at 42.18 for its last trade of the day. I'm going to now refresh GameStop to see the after hours. We're up 1 penny there. On Bed Bath & Beyond, the after hours is down 22 cents to 20.43. That's the after hour first flash after hours. All right. Splair, I added another 30 ATIP to get the alert from my broker that the ATIP calls have to reach 5 cents to pay me a premium. I had the hope to let it expire worthless on Friday and keep the premium. Splair, I wish you all a good night. Beach Boy, okay, I'll check Larry. Coyote, Larry, appreciate it. Right on, buddy. What a day today, everybody. 20.30 now on Bed Bath & Beyond, down 35 in the aftermarket already. GameStop seems to be at 41.90. GameStop is down 28 cents in the aftermarket, and we're down 41 on Bed Bath & Beyond in the aftermarket. Both are dropping right now on the aftermarket. We'll be keeping an eye on that, obviously. And then, of course, tomorrow morning pre-opening, we'll be watching that. 2019 on Bed Bath & Beyond, down 47 cents on 148,000 volume. Stock keeps coming in for sale. And GameStop traded 10,000 shares now at 41.90, down 28. Let me refresh. 10,000 shares, 41.90, down 28. So your options are slumping a bit, at least if this continues, but it's a long way until tomorrow morning. 1992 on Bed Bath Beyond, down 75. 1964 on Bed Bath & Beyond. We're down $1 on the aftermarket on Bed Bath & Beyond, okay? Thank you, Uncle B says, Kent, you got it. And Larry, no problem. Everybody, thank you all. Everybody got thank yous all around. 1968 to 1976 on BBBY, down 89 cents to $1 or so. GameStop is down to, or was down to 41.90, 42.13 down to nickel. Dow, the S&P 500 notched the highest close in more than 3 months, and that means we're set up for profit taking. You start getting these kinds of headlines coming out, get ready for a sell-off. Get ready. At any time, for any reason, you want to be folding your arms. We're down to 41.73 on GameStop. We're down 45 cents, and we're down to 19.90 on Bed Bath & Beyond. We're running into some selling here on both of these early aftermarket trades. Biden signs Inflation Reduction Act into law. It has been done. Congratulations, USA. Way to go. BW, to Bruce, SoFi had a ton of shares sold because of SoftBank didn't perform well last quarter. So they're offloading these shares, but then their 13F says they bought 83 million of NU Bank. What the hey? Why the face? They're in and out of all kinds of stuff. Don't worry. They got other stuff they're dropping off as well, not just SoFi. They sold billions of Alibaba stock. So they're selling millions of dollars of SoFi, but billions of dollars of Alibaba. So just not to worry. 1994 on Bed Bath & Beyond and 41.83 on GameStop, both off in the aftermarket. Lots of volatility right now on both of those stocks. Folks, thank you all. I cannot begin to thank you all for your help today, your support of this channel. Those of you picking up these classes on the 4-for-3 deal, just bear with me while I try to get ready here. I've got to go through all my emails and make sure I'm on top of this. I'm organized. We'll get you the links that you need for your classes so that you can get to work and study for learning how to write options in this incredible market where you do not need to fear the upside. Thank you for those of you who are subscribing to this channel. I appreciate that very much. It's very helpful. 134 thumbs ups. Thank you for those. Today is renewal day for a lot of you. It's the 16th of the month as members. And thank you for those of you who are renewing your memberships. Tomorrow night, 8 o'clock, I will be live, primetime live with your buddy here, Uncle Bruce, 8 o'clock Eastern. It's an open show, normally for Gold Bagel members only. Tomorrow night, 8 o'clock, you're all welcome to join me for prime time with Uncle Bruce, 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. Tell your friends, tell your relatives. And by the way, if any of you out there want to gift anyone you want the 4-for-3 deal, do let us know. Make a donation to PayPal. Send me an email and tell me who to send the classes to. If you've got a relative that keeps saying to you, how do you do all this option writing? I hear you're doing really well. And they tell you that they'd really like to try it, but they're not so sure. You want to gift them classes 1 through 4 or 1 through 8 or whatever. Send a donation here at $299.99 for every 4 classes. We'll get them the links, and then they can study, and then you can test them to see if they know what they're talking about. So they won't pester you anymore, or they'll collaborate with you. Who knows? Thank you guys so much for being here. Tell your kids, tell your wife. Don't tell your wife. Alberto, whip it real good. Tiff, I think the answer to your question is that the folks making decisions at SoftBank are not the smartest. And that could be it too. That could be also part of it. Thank you all for being here today for 3 shows today. Let's see what happens tomorrow. I'll be doing 3 shows tomorrow. I'll be doing 4 shows tomorrow. The early show for Gold Bagel members, the 8:30 show, the 3 o'clock show, and the 8 o'clock show for sure, unless something else happens in the meantime. So there you go. At least that many will go on tomorrow. Join us for a busy day Wednesday, and we'll see if we can help you make some more money in the markets. Okay, guys, thank you. What is the phrase going to be for the drinking game on Friday? We don't know. You guys are going to have to collaborate that one together. Oh, my goodness, it's out of control. Guys, thank you so much for being here. It's been a hoot today. I need a little rest for my voice, and right now I'm going to get to work on the emails to make sure that you guys get your classes that you've ordered. What a day, and I still have cash, says Zed Estate. You see? There you go, buddy. You see? Well done. What a crazy one today. Okay, guys, have a good one. We'll see you tomorrow, first thing in the morning, and we'll get at it, okay? Bye from Calgary.